Hello everyone and welcome to Only Competition Assam. In today's topic, we will be discussing the mixed questions which might come in SSC GD 2026. So we are about to cover all the exam related questions which might come in SSC GD 2026. There will be mixed kind of questions including analogy, odd one out and other series kind of questions. Okay, so starting today's question number 1. It is a letter analogy. Yes, Nayan, moi ga bhal paisu. Thanks for asking. And yes, a question to kora. This question is related to letter analogy. Okay, alphabetical series, position values we have to write down and then we can get the third and fourth term. This question is from analogy topic. Okay, analogy topic. What will be the answer for this particular question? For example, if we want to test the pattern, what we will do? We have to find the difference. Okay, this is 16, 17, 18 plus 1 plus 1. Here it is 3, 2 and 1. From here minus 1, then minus 1. That means in the first term we are adding plus 1 and in the second term we are subtracting minus 1. Okay, so we have to observe 13, 14, 15. Yes, it satisfies. But here it is 21, 22, 23. In the second term, we need to have the pattern as what? Minus 1 and minus 1. Okay. So, in this particular case, option A is eliminated. Let me check here. It is 7, 9 and 8. No, this is also not satisfied. 19, 21, 20. Here also the pattern is not satisfied. Now come to the last option. 12, 13 and 14. Here yes, the pattern is being satisfied. And in the last fourth term, that means this is 26, 25 and 24 for x. Okay. Here it is minus 1 and minus 1. That means only option number D satisfies our first and second term. And analogy is about what? Analogy is about the relation between the first and the second term, isn't it? So we have to follow those patterns. Okay. So here my correct answer will be option number D, isn't it? No, it will not be B, it will be option D. Okay, you can just look. Nobody in my class will ever miss the pattern. For example, in the first option, we are getting the pattern. For example, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. But in the second term, it is not satisfying the given pattern. That is why option A is incorrect. Observe this question once more and then you will be able to identify if you have any doubts. Okay. Now come to the next question. Question number 2. It is a bit tricky. Good evening, Parag. Good evening. Can you solve this particular question? Question number 2. 2 is related to 12. Then we need to find the third term. Tell me, what will be the third term? Is it into 6? No, it cannot be into 6. Question number 2. Okay, let me check. If it is into 6, then what we need to do is 80 divided by 6, which might satisfy. Okay. No. 80 is not divided by 6. Okay. 80 is not divided by 6. That means this particular pattern is being not satisfied. We have to think about another pattern. Then what can be my pattern? My pattern will be -8 and then divided by, no, not -8, it will be plus 8 and 2 and then plus 2, I guess. Okay, let me check once. Plus 8 is equals to 10 and then plus 2, 12. Okay, then again let me check once more. 36 then plus 8, wait, plus 8, that means how much is this? 6 plus 8 is equals to 14. This is 1. Wait. Okay, let me go reverse. Way. If 12 is divided if I subtract -8, then how much I will get? I will get 4. 4 divided by 2, I will get 2. Okay, let me check for this pattern. Wait. 80 minus 8 is how much? It is 272. 72 divided by 2 is how much? 36. Is there the answer? Okay. Okay. Now let me explain the pattern here. What I have done is identify the second term. Okay, identify the second term. Means consider 12. Okay, consider 12 here. 12 minus 8 is how much? 4. Okay. Now divided it by 2. Divide it by 2. When you divide it by 2, you will get how much? You will get 2. In this particular pattern, if we apply in the fourth term, that is 80, then what I have to do? 80 minus 8. Done. I have got 72. Now divide 72 by 2. Then how much I will get? 36. And therefore my answer is option number A. Option number A. That means I cannot go from 2 to 12. I have to go backward. Means 12 to 2 I have to come. Okay, from 12 to 2 I have to come. Backward I have to observe. Sometime it happens. It happens in the exam that we cannot go from left to right. We have to go backward or reverse process. Okay, in that particular way, here is the pattern. Okay, here is the pattern. Here is the pattern. You can check it once. -8 divided by 2. And those -8 I am applying on the second term, not the first term. Okay, from the second term I am identifying the first term. Okay. Yes, I am okay, Parag, I am okay. No need to worry. Okay, next question. This particular question is a bit easier than the last question, because in the last question we are going backwards. But in this particular question we are coming from the first term to second term, okay. Here the question is easy. Here the question is very easy. From 3 to 10 how we will get? From 3 to 10 how we will get? $25. Yes, 25 is my correct answer, because here the pattern is very easy. That is into 3 plus 1. Here also the pattern is into 3 means 24. Then plus 1 is how much? Plus 1 is 25. That is option A. Option A. In this particular question, we are going from left to right, and in the previous question, we were going from the reverse pattern. From 80 to this number. From 80 to, again, from 80 to this number, from 12 to 2 we were moving. Okay, from 12 to 2 we were moving. Okay. Do check this question once, because it is a very different question out of the other questions. Okay. Okay. What will be this question? Don't get confused or don't get scared from this particular question, because in this particular question, you will just need to subtract. You just need to subtract the fourth term, the third term from the fourth term. For example, 91523, isn't it? Subtract it from 51119. What will be my answer? It will be 4, 13 minus 9, 4, 1 minus 1, 0, 4, 1 minus 1, 0, then 5 minus 1, 4, 0, and this is 4. 40404. Okay, this is my result. Now you just need to add it here. Okay, that means 233345 minus dash is equals to 40404, isn't it? That is, I have to find the value of x. Okay, to find the value of x, what I have to do? 23345 minus 40404. Okay, my answer will be 1, 4, option number D. Option number D. This is 1. Oh, this is not 1. This is 9. This is 2. This is 9. This is 1. Yes, done. Okay. The question might seem very difficult because it is a 1, 2, 3, 6-digit number. But actually we are just subtracting. We are just subtracting to get the answer. Subtracting, okay. Now, can we go again? Yes. This question is about word analogy. You have to find the relation between finger and hand. The relation between the finger and hand is the same relation in the third term and the fourth term. Okay, you just need to find this particular thing. What is the relation? Which option satisfies the given relation? Tell me. This is a word analogy question. This is a word analogy question. Sorry. Look, there are fingers. There are 5 fingers in one hand, isn't it? My fingers make my hand. That means chair and table, these are combination. Okay. Cycle and wheels. No, this also doesn't satisfy. First and second option doesn't satisfy. Money also doesn't satisfy. My correct answer will be option D. That means 12 months. 12 months is equals to 1 year. Just like my 5 fingers is one hand. Okay, just like my 5 fingers is one hand. Like that. Means you have to identify the satisfied relation or satisfied pattern. Is it okay? Fine. Neha Bora, yes, very good. And then Dipanjali Deka, very good. Newspaper reader, bread, question mark. Fourth term we need to find out. Okay. Okay. Parag also, very good. Abhijit, it's not B, it will be D, option D. How is your preparation going on? I hope so, Abhijit, you are preparing for APSC, isn't it? So, I hope so. Your CSET cutoff is constant, isn't it? So, you need to identify how much you are getting in the CSET. That means you have to practice for mock test. And make sure one thing, that you secure 80 and above. Not 80, I'll say go for 90 and above. 90 and above, okay, to be in the safer side. And one thing is for sure, always complete all the questions which are easy for you. For example, if English is good, then complete the English section first, then reasoning, and then at last maths section. Okay, because maximum of the students might get negative mark for the questions they attempt wrong in the math section. So it is wiser, it is clever to choose the question which is definitely correct. For example, if you are confident with English and reasoning. Okay? Okay. Now, what will be the answer for question number 6? It will be bread consumer, not baker, not baker. Look, newspaper is read by whom? The reader, isn't it? Means newspaper has been printed. After that, who uses it? Newspaper is used by the reader, isn't it? Newspaper is used by the reader. Similarly, that relation we have to establish, that is, bread is consumed by the consumer. Bread is used by whom? The person who will eat it, isn't it? So that is why my answer will be consumer, not baker. They are not asking who made it. Okay. Otherwise, then in this particular place, there will be the editor one or the writer person. But in this place, it is the reader. That is why you have to identify the relation, correct relation. Okay. The answer is option C. Decision making section also. I didn't understand, Neha. What about question number 7? Now tell me. Same here, ma'am. I am also preparing for APSC. Okay, Parag, very good. Bread is intended to be eaten and used by... Okay, fine. Decision making section also. What decision making section you are saying, Neha? Are you asking about the CSET topics? Would you like to elaborate your statement? Okay, what will be the answer for this question number 7? Tell me. Axis and earth. Axis and earth. For example, this is my axis. This is the earth. Okay, this is the earth, and this earth revolves around the, means rotates around the axis. Okay, rotates around the axis. Okay, rotates around the axis. In the same way, hub is what? Hub is the rotating part of the wheel. There are knots in the wheel, isn't it? And there's the wheel outside. Means using this knot, the wheel circulates. Okay, the wheel circulates. Here this is the hub. This is the hub. Done? So my answer will be option number A. Option number A. Got it? This is the axis. Okay. The same way, hub, wheel rotates around the hub. Okay. Got it? Okay. Now, next question. Question number 8. AZBY. Are you able to identify what is the relation between that? AZBY. Here, EFF, EVFU, GTHS. GTHS. That means there is a pattern consisting of opposite letters. Consisting of opposite letters. Do you remember all those opposite letters? A opposite is Z. B opposite is Y. Okay. Now, to find the second term, we need to identify the pattern in the third and fourth pattern first. Okay, fourth term first. E is the opposite of V. F is the opposite of U. G is the opposite of T. GST, do you remember? Okay. H is the opposite of H. HS, high school, isn't it? Now, to find the G, we will relate it with F. That means 5, 6, 7, 8. It is in that particular pattern. That means here we will have C. C opposite is X. Then we will have D. D opposite is W. Got it? And this particular option is in option number B. Option number B, CXDW. Yes, CXDW. There is a pattern of opposite letters. Select that and then find the second term. Yes, option B. My answer will be this, okay? My answer will be this. Next. Question number 9. Question number 9. What will be the answer? Tell me. Here. M is the opposite of N. K is the opposite of P. I is the opposite of R. And G is the opposite of T. Here all the opposite letters are there. Here all the opposite letters are there. Therefore, Z opposite is A. X opposite is C. V opposite is E. T opposite is G. And this particular option is in option number B. Option number B. They are just arranging opposite letters in different forms. This is also a question of opposite letters, and this is also a question of opposite letters. But both the question differs from each other. Okay, differ from each other. But the basic is what? The opposite letters. You have to remember the opposite letters by heart. Okay? Okay. Yes, do. If you like the question, if you like the session, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Only Competition Assam. Okay? Now, can you finish this particular question? This is a question of odd one out. And in this particular topic, you need to have knowledge about GK and GS. GK, GS also. Have you studied about history? Have you studied about freedom movement? I think yes. And in that particular freedom movement, you have heard about Madan Mohan Malviya. Madan Mohan Malviya. B.G. Tilak, V.D. Savarkar and Lajpat Rai. All they are extremists. But Madan Mohan Malviya was not an extremist. Okay, was not an extremist, and therefore my answer will be what? The odd one out. The odd one out. Option number B. Madan Mohan Malviya was the moderate from the Congress party, the then Congress party, okay, when the freedom movement was just started. Is it okay? Fine. Look, you have to have the knowledge in reasoning, especially when it comes to Assam one day government, SSC, RRB. There are some specific questions where a part of the reasoning comes from GK, GS and English both. Okay, English both. Now, next question. What will be the odd one out in question number 11? First, we need to find the pattern. First, we need to find the pattern. Here, you might think that the pattern is too absurd, but I will say that don't go according to the conventional way. Okay, don't go according to the conventional way. Let me give you an hint. The hint is focus on the vowels. Focus on the vowels. I have given you the hint. Now identify the answer. Oh, sorry. It will be Q. Huh? This one is Q. This one is Q. Option number C. It is Q. In this particular question, I have given you the hint because yes, the pattern is a bit different. You have to look for, here all the letters are consonant, here all the letters are consonant, here all the letters are consonant. But in this particular option number D, only one is vowel. Okay, only one letter is vowel, and that therefore option D is my odd one out. Option D is my odd one out. Okay. Now next question. What will be the odd one out in question number 12? Question number 12. Yes, yearly, weekly and monthly. All these three options give you a time interval. Give you a time interval. But only option B doesn't give you any time interval. Quickly is just an, what I will say, do the work quickly, isn't it? Okay. Next, here also I would like to identify that almost 2 lakh vacancies are about to come in the upcoming time. Okay, upcoming time, and here we have no time to waste. For that, there is only one stop solution. Only Competition Assam have brought one stop solution for you all, where you don't have to buy different courses for ADRE, Assam Police, Assam Forest, DHS, any exam. Here you will get everything in one place, and all the needed material, for example, handwritten notes and mentorship from the selected candidates, you will get in this particular batch. Okay, so with this I would like to end this session, and before that I would like to ask you to enroll yourself in a mentorship group. This is my mentorship group, where you can ask me any reasoning related question. If you have any doubt, for example, you are giving any mock test and you are unable to finish one question, or you might have any doubt in that particular question, then you can join in this particular group and send me those questions which you are unable to solve, and I will give you the solution. Okay, almost yes, for today's class, this much is the session. I'll hope so. I'll come with tomorrow with good and new questions. Okay, because today the class is only for 30 minutes. Thank you students, thank you so much. I hope so. We will meet again in the next class, and then we will finish all the incomplete questions. Okay, today's in tomorrow's 12:15 p.m. Tomorrow 12:15 p.m. we will again meet, and we will do a 1 hour session complete tomorrow. Okay, see you then. Have a nice day. Thank you.